This is your morning brief for Wednesday, April 10th. Tucows led our model portfolios yesterday, up 3.7%. There wasn't a lot of action yesterday. There's just not a lot of price movement. Just was kind of a nothing day, slightly down. And our best performer was Tucows across all our model portfolios. And it's a nice little company. We just did a report on it, so have a look on that one. Globant was our second best performer. It was up 3.3% yesterday. We've also done a recent report on that one too. B2 Gold was up 2.6%. That was our third best. As you can see, so those are pretty docile numbers for being best of the day. But we did outperform in our portfolios yesterday. But one day doesn't mean a thing, other than just a little bit of info for us to see if we need to make some changes. But interesting, and no big blow ups except for Under Armour was down 4.7% on a poor branding survey result. Okay, so there's this company called B. Riley, which does these branding reports, and they said Under Armour dropped to 5th in basketball and dropped to 7th in casual, but maintained its 6th spot in running, like just brand perception, I guess, by consumers. So I don't know what to make of this, to be honest with you. I mean, a lot of surveys come out. So the question you always got to ask yourself is news versus noise. And I'm actually going to call this news to put in the back of our minds. I don't think you trade on it. I think you got to trade on when we see earnings, and that's way more important than this in this particular instance, in my opinion, because the next someone else will do a brand survey and they'll say Under Armour is improving. So I don't want to dismiss it entirely. I don't want to say it's just complete noise, because I don't think it is. It's just not something I would trade on. And although the shares were down 4.7% yesterday, I did see in pre-market trading, it was up about 2.5%. So it's going to recover some of that right away. I'm going to just hold off on doing anything until I actually see the quarter. Okay, Sanofi is cutting its monthly insulin prescriptions to $99 a month in the U.S. and then incidentally announced the cut 1 hour before testifying before U.S. Congress. Why does it take U.S. Congress pressure to do this? Just do the right thing, well ahead of this. So it does kind of bother me, but at least we're getting there, and I guess pressure from Congress can work. There's been so much pressure on drug companies to lower prices, and I don't think that's going to subside. So these are interesting investments because they do really well, but there's a lot of pressure in the drug supply chain. Okay, NHL playoffs start tonight. So wrapped up, I think it was over the weekend. I'm not sure exactly when it wrapped up, but Tampa Bay took the President's Cup, which is the best regular season record. They do look really strong. They're going to be tough to beat, but it'll be definitely interesting to watch. And I love this time of year. NHL playoffs starting, NBA starting on the weekend, got the Masters this week. What a great time to be a sports fan. Okay, that's your morning brief for Wednesday, April 10th. Let's find some gems.